Look what I just got. It's a 2-pack set of Checkered Chef cooling racks. And you get 2 of these. They're also great for cooling as well as baking too. And this you can definitely put on your counter to allow cookies as well as meat to cool down, as well as other items too. You can also put this on a baking sheet if you want to grill and have your food elevated off the ground or to have it steam. So for example, if you want to put asparagus, it'll lift it up and have some air circulation. Also great for chicken too, and you can have all the drippings drip down. So this is what it looks like. They measure 8 inches by 11 3/4 inches. They also have 4 feet on the bottom, so they can rest on top of the counter or on top of the baking sheet. The elevated feet are perfect for grilling vegetables or meat on top and letting the drip go down on the bottom. And as I mentioned, that allows the air to flow through. How perfect is this? So we're going to test this out because I need to make some cookies today, and we're going to be using this and see how it works out. I'm definitely excited. Cookies are ready. Now time to put it on the cooling rack. I just love the smell of fresh baked cookies. Makes the house feel so homey. Perfect. Now I'm going to allow it to cool. And a really nice feature about this is that they're rust resistant as well as corrosion, and they're also dishwasher safe as well. I was sent this from Checkered Chef and I absolutely love it. So far so good. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.